What's up, Sunny fam? Coach James here, and today I will be going over my gym bag essentials. AKA the pump cover is what the kids call it nowadays. So I like to wear this, work up a nice good sweat at the beginning of my workout, then boom, take it off about mid-workout, and then reveal the nice pump. Hopefully I have going at that point in my workout. Only do that on upper body days. Leg days, it stays on. Go through many of these because I drop a lot of them. But this is my current water bottle, okay? It's really important for me to stay hydrated. Obviously for you also to just perform your best during the workout, feel your best, and recover. So always gotta make sure I have this on hand with me. I like to keep this on my hip during my workouts. It helps me keep track of my rest breaks or my work intervals if I'm doing exercise for 30 or 40 seconds. This often gets mistaken for a pager. It is not a pager. This is really important if you want to make sure you maximize the effectiveness of your workout. Timing your rest breaks is super important. So typically for me, I try to keep my rest breaks shorter, 60 to 30 seconds, because I want my workouts to be intense. So always got to have this on hand. I experienced knee pain in my early 20s. Luckily with mobility movements, I'll be able to improve my mobility and lessen knee pain, but I always love to do leg exercises with these. It makes my knees, provides support for my knees. It helps me when I ever do my split squats, anything I'm going heavy on in the gym. It makes me feel safe. It's starting to get warm outside, but during those winter months, I need this at all times, not just in the gym bag, and the work bag, everything. Car, I need this everywhere I go, just to make sure my skin is properly lubricated and I'm not ashy during those winter months. So this is necessary. Got to make sure you're fresh post-workout, okay, especially after those tough, really tough days. Always keep that on hand. This right here can set my entire mood for the workout, okay? Typically, I like to listen to some hardcore hip hop, something with some hard beats, someone rapping about a lifestyle that I do not want to live. But that gets me in my zone, so this is a must, this is necessary. If I forget these, I'm hurting, okay? So, gotta keep those on hand. Liquid chalk, okay? This is so clutch for commercial gyms, or if you're working out at home, so you don't make a mess. Regular chalk, it gets all over the place. People are staring at you like, oh my God, look at that guy. This right here is essential. I just rub it on my hands, leaves no mess, and then boom, it gives me instant grip for any of my upper body or lower body movements when grip is necessary. So that's always on hand also. This keeps me centered, it keeps me focused, it gives purpose to my workout routine. So I like to look back at what I did the previous workout, aim to beat it in some way, okay? If it's completing a workout in a quicker amount of time, doing an extra rep or two on some exercises, or increasing the weight. It gives me a goal for that day, which really drives my motivation. Also, on my workout journal, which I would encourage you to do, I have a green sticker here, okay? So it's a green light. I borrowed this idea from a sports psychologist, and the idea is you place a green sticker on an item that you see frequently, and whenever you see that item, whenever you see that green sticker, you have to think a positive thought, a positive reason why you deserve to reach your goal. So always keep that on hand. This hair, I don't wake up like this, okay? No, so always gotta make sure I have the pick on hand, especially if I have the hoodie or it's a really tough workout. Hair can get messy, okay? When you look your best, you perform your best, so always make sure I have that with me so this hair stands higher. It also makes me a little bit taller too, so that's a plus. All right, Sunny fam, Coach James here, and those are my essentials for me to perform my best when I'm at the gym. Let me know what you need to perform and feel your best during your next workout. Comment below.